Hello and welcome back to another video. I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you the sacred prayer corner that I did in the lounge room during Ramadan. Unfortunately, did not have time to publish the video on time, so I'm just doing it right now because even after Ramadan has finished, we have still decided to keep the prayer corner and change it just depending on the mood and just, to change things up. So it's just a little corner here in the lounge room. Fortunately, we did set it up to be towards the direction of Makkah, the Qibla, and what's nice about it is I incorporate and change along whatever aspects that I feel necessary. So we have the Quran as well as a Quran holder here center stage on top of a really kind of cheap IKEA corner table, and I've put a purple tablecloth. Now the lounge room has a theme of purple and silver, so as you can see here, just basic table and a cloth on top as well as a Quran on the center stage, and we've layered these beautiful lamps that I found them in the store nearby, the decor store, and these lamps actually were amazing for Ramadan because they really emphasize that Ramadan theme, as well as these LED candles which I made myself, and they're super easy. I'll make a video on it shortly. So they're just basically LED candles with printed Quran verses, and you can do whatever you want, including photos or verses or text. You can do it for any occasion, and what I love about it is that it gives a tint of green and yellow, and it, for me it just increases that kind of spirituality aspect to the corner, as well as a Himalayan salt lamp. And what I loved about it is just the way it looks, as well as the beneficial aspects that it puts in the room. So it's very calming, as well it removes negative ions, and I feel like overall it gives it that really beautiful vibe. So I found this nice lamp. It's pretty large, and what I like about it is its rustic color. And I feel like all the elements here really emphasize more of a medieval look. And I think it really gives me that kind of theme of light in the darkness. So I am changing it around. I'm thinking of incorporating special crystals in there that really help to just, boost the positive vibes, as well as clear the aura, clear the air from negative energy. Basic things like little pieces of amethyst, a tiger's eye, selenite, anything that you can find that really actually helps and resonates with you and your intentions. I hope you found this video helpful. I would love to see your prayer corner. Please do let us know if you can send any photos or just tell us what you incorporate into your sacred corner. Take care. Bye-bye.